Transform your brilliant idea into a stunning landing page, powered by AI, in mere minutes. First, let's conquer the visuals. Head over to Midjourney. Describe the core feeling or product you want to convey. Think about keywords like futuristic, minimal, vibrant, solution-oriented. Experiment with different phrasing to get the perfect hero image that instantly grabs attention. Once you have your stunning hero image, it's time for the persuasive words. Jump into ChatGPT. Tell it your landing page's goal. Is it to sell a product, capture leads, or announce an event? Ask it to write compelling headlines, benefit-driven bullet points, and a clear call to action tailored to your target audience. Now, let's bring it all together in Canva. Start with a free, professional landing page template. Upload your Midjourney-generated hero image. Then, use Chatgtp to fill in your headlines, subheadings, and descriptive text. Ensure your design is clean, easy to read, and reflects your brand's identity. Refine your layout, choose fonts that complement your visuals, and adjust color schemes for maximum impact. Add any necessary sections like testimonials or features. Using your AI-generated content as a base. Remember, clarity and a strong call to action are key to converting visitors. Finally, hit publish. You've just crafted a professional, AI-enhanced landing page that's visually appealing and powerfully persuasive, all without needing complex coding or expensive designers. This is how you build impactful online presences, fast and affordably.